Hello, this is Imran Shubuj. Welcome you all to watching this video. Today I'm going to share some experiences. How could you select diesel engine oil for your diesel machineries or diesel bus, truck, marine or even in your home use generator. So at first you will go through the product manual and find out the lubrication chapter. For diesel engine, it is common SAE grade is 15W-40 is most common SAE grade. Please cross check that and go to the API, which year your API indicates which year your engine is manufacturing. And please check another thing, TVN, which elaborations is total base number. Is it mentioned 10, 40, 30, 40, whatever it is. Please check these three common things to select a perfect diesel lubrications oil for your diesel engines. And another thing, I am just sharing you what is the drain time. Drain time means after using how many hours you can change this oil. It is most common is 2 to 300 hours you can change this oil. Common drain time is 2 to 300 hours. Hope this video can help you to find out the perfect diesel lubricants oil for your diesel engine. Thank you for watching this video.